When you visit Italy, don't forget to try. And it's pizza, of course. Are you ready to sound like a pro when talking about your next holiday in English? Welcome back to your challenge, Speak English Fluently. And today we're diving into... But first, try to solve this puzzle. It will be the topic of our lesson today. I hope you did it, so we'll check a little bit later. If you watch this lesson till the end, you will learn a lot of useful information. Hello, I'm Natalie, your English teacher, and don't forget to subscribe for our amazing lessons and very useful speaking practices. First, let's talk about how to answer how are you. Listen and repeat after me. Say them out aloud. I'm okay, thanks. How about you? Doing great, thank you for asking. Pretty good, thanks. Couldn't be better. I'm doing well. How about yourself? And now pause the video and write in the comments what variant you usually use. Now speaking practice. I will ask and you will answer. How are you? How is it going? How are you doing? So, do you feel more confident in speaking English? Next up, let's learn how to talk about what you want to do during a vacation. Use I would like to express your desires or plans. And remember, after I would like to, we use only a verb without any changes. For example, I would like to visit Paris. I would like to relax by the pool. I would like to try snorkeling. And you got it right. So the topic for our lesson today is vacation. Can you name 5 vacation activities in 5 seconds? Say it out aloud. For example, I can name 5 vacation activities in 5 seconds. Book a flight, stay at a hotel, go sightseeing, visit museum, try new food. Now it's your turn. And now speaking practice. Listen to my question and say aloud 3 different phrases. What would you like to do during your next vacation? Amazing, you're doing so well. To speak about vacation, we definitely need some words and expressions to use. I prepared for you 15 very useful expressions, and your task will be to finish the phrases. You can see you can finish these phrases in different ways. For example, pack your luggage, pack your baggage, pack your suitcase, and the more the better. Here you can check your variants. And now listen and repeat after me. Pack your bags. Book a flight. Go on a road trip. Hit the beach. Take a guided tour. Stay at a hotel. Explore local culture. Go sightseeing. Try new cuisines. Relax by the pool, go hiking, visit a museum, shop for souvenirs, enjoy the nightlight, have the time of your life. If you want, you can get these expressions in the description, copy and translate them into your language and then learn them by heart. And now let's play an interactive game. I will say an activity and you will tell me if it's something you would like to do or not. For example, hit the beach. I would like to hit the beach. Or shop for souvenirs. I wouldn't like to shop for souvenirs. So let's get started. Go sightseeing. Relax by the pool. Visit a museum. Go hiking. Now let's put everything together in a fun speaking practice. I will read black and you will read red. And don't forget that I would like to has a short form. I'd like to. Let's repeat together. I'd like to. Let's start reading aloud. Hi, what are your vacation plans? That sounds amazing. What would you like to do there? Wow, you'll have the time of your life. That's great. And keep practicing this conversation to feel more confident when speaking English. And here is your challenge. Please write one sentence about your dream vacation using I would like to and one of the expressions from today's lesson, and share them in the comments, and I'll check them. Are you ready to listen to a real talk about top 5 popular vacation activities in 2024? Are you ready? Let's get started.
Ready to dive into the hottest vacation trends for 2024. You've got your wanderlust, we've got the intel. Let's explore where people are going and what's really capturing their imagination this year.
Yeah, it's really exciting.
It is. We're looking at a list of the top 5 vacation activities that are trending this year.
Okay.
And let me tell you, from luxurious escapes to those heart-pumping adventures and everything in between.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's do it. Okay. First up is adventure glamping.
Oh, adventure glamping.
Yeah, so it seems like everyone's ditching the roughing it part of camping and they're opting for a little more style these days.
Yeah, I can see that.
I have to say, the idea of connecting with nature, without having to sacrifice comfort, pretty appealing.
Yeah, it really hits on that idea of sustainable travel, which is becoming so important, but with a little bit of luxury woven in.
Yeah.
So it's not just, roughing it in the woods.
Right.
It's, think like safari tents in Africa,
Oh.
overlooking a watering hole, or like cozy yurts nestled in the Mongolian countryside.
Ooh.
Or even those glass igloos in Finland where you can watch the northern lights dance across the sky.
Those sound
magical.
That sounds incredible, especially those glass igloos.
Yeah.
Speaking of unique experiences, have you ever thought about going on a cultural food tour?
Oh, yeah, definitely. For me, food is like the ultimate way to connect with a culture. It's not just about eating, it's about understanding the history, the traditions.
Right, yeah.
And what I love about these cultural food tours is they're so hands-on. A lot of them will offer cooking classes and tastings, so you really get to immerse yourself.
Right.
Imagine learning to make sushi from scratch in Tokyo,
Oh.
or mastering the art of mole in Mexico City, or, crafting homemade pasta in Florence. It's a whole other level of culinary adventure.
That's amazing. Yeah, it's not just about eating. It's about truly experiencing the culture through the cuisine. Okay. Now let's shift gears a bit and talk about wellness retreats.
Okay.
It seems like, everyone's just looking for ways to disconnect from the daily grind and recharge.
Right.
Have you noticed that there's a change in what people are looking for in these retreats?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Wellness retreats they've really evolved beyond just spa days and relaxation.
Okay.
There's a real focus these days on mindfulness and personal growth. So you see retreats that combine yoga with therapy sessions, or meditation with nature immersion.
Wow.
Or, even retreats that incorporate ancient healing practices. It's become a lot more holistic, addressing the mind, body, and spirit. And the locations are so carefully chosen, to enhance that sense of well-being, like Bali's serene rice paddies, or Iceland's breathtaking landscapes, or, the lush rainforests of Costa Rica. It's amazing.
Now for the adrenaline junkies out there.
Yeah.
This next trend might be right up your alley. Extreme adventures. 2024 is all about, pushing boundaries and seeking out those exhilarating, thrilling experiences.
Yeah, the variety of extreme adventures that are out there now is just incredible. You could be skydiving over the Dubai skyline.
Wow.
Paragliding amidst the Swiss Alps, ziplining through lush jungles in Costa Rica, or even cage diving with sharks in South Africa.
Whoa.
These experiences, they offer, a chance to really test your limits, face your fears, and create those memories that will last a lifetime.
That's amazing. That's quite a range, from tranquil retreats to, really pushing those adrenaline limits.
Yeah.
And last but not least, we have digital detox adventures.
Yes.
It seems like everyone is craving a break from technology these days.
I can definitely see that. It's like a direct response to our increasingly connected world, right?
Yeah.
People are feeling so overwhelmed by this constant influx of information and stimulation.
All right.
And these digital detox adventures offer a chance to really unplug, reconnect with nature, and kind of rediscover yourself. Without the distractions of the digital world. Imagine, hiking the Appalachian Trail, or sailing through those turquoise waters of the Mediterranean, or maybe embarking on a silent retreat in the Himalayas.
Yeah.
All without checking your phone or scrolling through social media.
Right. Yeah. Wow.
It's a completely different experience.
So we've got luxury in nature, culinary journeys, mindful escapes, adrenaline rushes, and a chance to unplug and reconnect. 2024 is truly offering a vacation experience for every kind of traveler.
It really is.
It's fascinating to see how each trend caters to a different aspect of the human experience, our desire for connection, adventure, relaxation, and self-discovery.
Yeah, what's really interesting is how these trends are actually like blurring the lines between traditional vacation categories, We're seeing adventure blended with luxury, and wellness is being woven into cultural experiences, and there's a growing awareness of sustainability across all types of travel.
Yeah.
So it kind of begs the question, which trend resonates most with you? And what does that say about your travel desires? Is it time to break out of your comfort zone and try something completely new?
Right.
Or are you seeking something, familiar but with a twist?
That's a great question to ponder.
Yeah.
It's definitely sparked some wanderlust in me.
Me too.
We hope this deep dive has given you some inspiration for your next adventure.
Absolutely.
Happy travels.
Happy travels, everyone.
Congratulations! You did such an amazing job today. Remember to practice speaking every day to improve your English. And if you enjoyed the lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye!